Colette, who is their instructor, and Colette, we've kind of like didn't want to give too much away, but these young students, two teams, both of whom from JFK, won both the national and international competition for real world design. Now I know you, Chris and I were fortunate enough to do a story with you guys over at JFK and everything. Your robotics program is out of this world, literally.
Well, I don't know that we're out of this world, but I do have some very talented young people that I've had the pleasure to work with through the years who have definitely grown the program. So yes, and speaking with you and with Chris on the different achievements of the kids has been great. Mm-hmm. So this year, again, the students rose to the challenge. It gets more and more difficult every year. They dedicate themselves to mastering what they need to know, and they learn an awful lot and apply everything they've learned in their years in mathematics, in language arts, their research skills. So yes, I think these programs are wonderful for our students because they do force them out of their comfort zone, definitely.
Okay, interesting choice of words there. There are a couple of the students whose cameras aren't on yet, but you guys, showtime. There we are. And if I could get maybe each of the students, you guys just kindly unmute your mics and just maybe introduce yourself. I know we've got, there are 5 seniors and 1 junior, I believe. And if you can maybe just introduce yourselves, we'll just go around and say what was your responsibilities for this real world design competition.
I would like to start first. Firstly, I'm the project manager for Pacific Projects, and the team around me I have right now is a very intellectual and they've worked really hard to get this notebook, and along with this presentation, they worked really hard to try and get out there. I'll let them start.
And that was Samuel Ha, a senior at JFK. Project manager is probably the most daunting of tasks because you have to be well versed in all the different disciplines that your teammates do, right? And then tie everything together and basically be a leader.
Yes.
Okay, so who else have we got?
I can go next. I'm Jolan Latag. I'm a senior, and I was the co-project manager and / the lead writer for the project.
All right, very cool.
I'll go next. I'm Robin Natividad, and I'm the lead researcher as well as the 2D CAD specialist in some way, and I'm also a senior.
Oh man, CAD. You got to teach me some of that stuff. I've tried taking up CAD programs a few times in my career and everything like that. I can never get it to work. My mind just does not work that way. Okay, I know we've also got
It was a little bit.
Yeah. I know we've also got Jimmy. We've got Daniel. What's going on, guys?
This is Xiaoying Zhen, and I'm a CAD specialist at this project, and I am also a senior.
All right, very cool. Okay, so what was the intent? Did you guys have a specific problem that you had to solve or task that you had to complete, or was it just something generic and abstract? And they said, come up with your best design, or how would you approach this? Like, what was the whole challenge?
I'd say mainly the challenge that we were able to get was trying to create a UAV or aircraft that was both environmentally friendly and safe towards the environment, along with achieving package delivery. However, with that did run into some problems because we would have to sometimes think of different ways to solve the problem. Mm-hmm. And through arguments, we were able to actually create a UAV after a long time.
Very cool. So you guys are looking to maybe either supplement, if not replace, like the traditional delivery systems right now, which is either by automobile or by there's like even there's bike couriers and everything like that, but you guys would actually like to make this like a drone based, right?
Yes.
Very cool. I know people have been working that in the States for a while. I've actually got friends at Amazon, and they said that's a very, very difficult challenge.
Yeah, and we're a little backed up here, so I just wanted to close by asking you guys, because we've seen STEM in the public school system. I mean, just the popularity of it has really catapulted over the years. So Let me just ask the students, why STEM? What would you say to other kids in the school system about choosing and pursuing science, technology, engineering, and math?
I'd say, in my opinion, with STEM, you would be able to get a lot more, I'd say, creativity in a way, because you'd be able to take your ideas and try to actually create them by using like technology that we have in hand, along with using our current math and other ways to create what you want in real life. Because all the things that you see in the world, like cars, along with drones and everything, that technology is going to advance sooner or later. And with STEM, you would be able to contribute in some way or another to try and advance that technology.
Mhm. Have you guys published your work? Like, are your findings and your project, are they available like on GitHub right now or something, or can people check out your stuff?
I do
It's not.
think. Oh,
It will be published, Jason. It will be published on their website. They always publish the winning papers and presentations as well. So it will be published. It does take some time for them to upload that on the Real World Design Challenge website.
Okay.
Okay,
All right,
well,
very cool. But basically for winning, there were two teams from JFK. First place in the international competition, first place in USA National. Guys, congratulations! And for your to the victor go the spoils, as they say. And each member of the winning international championship gets a $50,000 scholarship distributed over 4 years. Should you choose to attend Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University? So you guys are well on your way to solving your problem. Yes,
sir.
Good job, guys. Thank you, Miss Colette. Kids, keep it up.
Congratulations to you guys. You guys are amazing. Outstanding work.
As a former Gecko, I just got to say, go Islanders for this morning. Just for today, though. All right. There you go. Yeah, STEM is great. You know, we just watched a movie about STEM the other night with the kids. Big Hero 6. I don't know if you guys, the STEM movie. Yeah. 9:23, right? Let's keep it in the K-Wave News Zoom room where Jason will continue with our next interview. Bringing on the young guns from the Guam Youth Climate Strike and the OG Green Army. They're joined by the Micronesia Climate Change Alliance's Moniaka de Oro. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Jason.